Heroes, attention all students. This is Gus from the Hero Academy here at the Hero Hub, and something has gone terribly wrong. A corrupted force called Glitched Gus has scrambled our system, and we need recruits before summer begins. We must determine if your class is ready. Okay, guys, so here is the first test. We need to test your hero reflexes. Heroes, when I say hero, you're going to raise both hands. When I say glitch, you're going to freeze. Are you ready? Let's see. Let's see how you stand up. Let's test your reaction speed. Here we go. Hero, hero, glitch, hero, glitch, hero. You looked like you were doing a pretty good job there. Okay, guys, you did pretty good on that challenge. For your next challenge, it's a memory challenge. So I'm going to share my screen. You're going to see objects on the screen. I'm going to put them on there for 10 seconds, and you're going to have to try to remember as many as you can, and then you're going to write them down. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, see how many you can write down. Okay, recruits, you have one final challenge. This is your engineering challenge. So your challenge is you are going to take the piece of paper that you just wrote down your items on, and you are going to try to build the tallest freestanding tower in 60 seconds. And teachers can be the judge. You can pause the video and do it now, or you can wait until the end of the video and do it then. Everyone can do this. Engineering requires testing and teamwork. And heroes, you've got both. Congratulations! Your class has officially passed Hero Recruit Training. This summer, you will receive missions, you will solve problems, you will restore the Hero Hub and free up the Hero Academy. Prepare yourselves. Maybe build some airplanes, flip some bottles, do some fun challenges. Recruits, this is your hero mission map. If you notice, there are 8 places for you to get your hero stickers. If you complete 6 of the 8 missions, you will not only get a VIP certificate, but you will also earn a VIP invitation to a celebration in September when school starts back. Hope to see you there and help us restore the Hero Hub. You'll never restore the Hero Hub. Gus out.